Why couldn't I be going? Literally 2 hands in a row, we drew the fucking YouTube combo. 2 fucking hands in a row after we tried for like literally 90 fucking years to get it on stream. 2 hands in a row, dude. We ball. Target 1 super heavy samurai you control. If this card is sent from field to graveyard, sent. Sure. All right. Do I make Metal Marcher here? Like, actually? Like, do I actually do it? You don't know what's crazy? I actually could. No, it's still just not worth it. Like as much as I want it to be worth it, it's just not, sadly. I think 3 of like my 7 MCS tops are with it random ass adventure piles. Like, I swear to God, it's like 7 of my tops. Metal Marcher doesn't belong at all. Yeah, it really doesn't fucking belong. There was a reason for Metal Marcher, and it was a TCG thing. It was a TCG thing was the reason for Metal Marcher. And I was just checking to see if it would still be good in Mastical. It was not. I can say that much. Not this format. He just said, fuck it, I'm going for it. I don't play Nib in this extra deck, do I? Get Regulus. Yeah, the Regulus is kind of annoying. What the fuck? Why are you playing Ghost over? What the fuck? You goofy bitch. What the fuck is this? You're gonna get Soul Peacemaker soon, aren't you? What does this one do? Yes. Because now you lose. There's no way that he actually is summoning this one. He's locking himself? Yeah. I don't think he's realized. Maybe he's just playing pure super heavy samurai. Maybe he plays the entire extra deck too. Maybe it's for Maxi. What in the ever-loving fuck is this? The train? Bro, why is there a Choo Choo train? Why is there a Choo Choo train with 4,800 attack on the field right now? Why is that a thing? You lose, Bozo? What do you mean you lose, Bozo? How does this thing make me lose? Target that many cards your opponent controls, destroy them? What? No shot. No shot. What the fuck? This doesn't feel nearly as Jover as before. The Choo Choo train does not feel like it's cooking. Does this thing do piercing damage? No. It swings twice. No. Banish all spell traps from every graveyard and then burn 200 to your opponent for every spell banished. So I take 400 points of damage. Soul Worm? Oh no. fuck? Huh? Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay, dude. Okay. Weird Druis Worm? I didn't know that that was a possibility. So I didn't think I needed to, like, Druis. Now I know. Now I know that the funny Choo Choo train, when combined with 2 cards from hand, both Soul Horns and the fucking funny bow, it does something. Got it. I have learned from my mistakes.
Many hours later.
Not again, not the fucking Choo Choo train. Come on, come on. Come on, bro. It's not that serious. Oh, come on. It doesn't have to be like this. Come on. Come on, bro. Not that serious. No. Maybe I should have let him summon one more time so that we can nib his ass. Like, maybe I should have held off on the maxi until, like, he committed a little bit more. But, like, maybe he would have just done this anyway. We've lost to the Choo Choo train twice now. Eltron thing! I don't know. Choo Choo! Train, yeah, 2... Yeah, it's 2 train losses, 1 Gundam loss.